Yeah, so over the summer I worked at Maritime Electric for the past 3 years. It's the electrical generation and distribution company here on the island.
So I've worked at UPEI for the past 2 summers. I've worked in a lab. It's mainly a biomedical engineering focused lab. So this past summer I was responsible for creating a system that we would add to our current 3D bioprinter.
The first year I worked there, there was a underwater submarine cable that was being installed, and I had the opportunity to work on that, so that was very exciting and interested me a lot. I was involved in doing some inspections on the cables that were installed, which involved me going out with divers who were taking video footage to check on the cable.
So working in the summer really allowed me to apply these technical skills that I didn't know that I had, and it would allow me to take this theoretical knowledge and put it into practice. It's definitely important to get some hands-on experience while you're a student.
There's certain skills that you simply can't learn at school in the classroom, and the work experience I had over the summers certainly gave me the skills I was missing.